Okay, I want to go over some tips and tricks of Blooket games, and trust me, you won't regret it. So I'm going to start with Factory, but I'm going to pause it as I get the game set up so you don't have to sit there and watch the board. Okay, we're ready to go. I'm going to start the game, and I have it set for 3 minutes, so I'm just going to show you from a student perspective. So I'm starting it as the teacher, and here I go to the student end, and you're going to see what happens. So what you want to do first is answer 3 questions correctly, and that's going to allow you to choose your first Bluk. Okay, so you got to answer 3 questions correctly. And once you do, here we go, first one. So I'm going to want to choose one that this is like triple. So I'm going to take that one, even though it's a small amount. And again, answer my next 3 questions correctly. Okay, when you choose a question wrong, okay, you got to wait. So it teaches you some patience. Okay, and there we go. All right, so now I get to choose another one, and I want to choose, okay, that's more than double, so I'll choose that one. And again, 3 questions correctly. And once I do, I get to choose another Bluk. If I can have a matchup, there we go. That's what I want to do. I want to choose a matchup if I can. Okay. And there we go. I got 3 right again. So, oh, here we go. Here's another matchup. So let's put that one. 3 correctly. All right, so that's again my goal. All right, here we go. See this? As soon as I see one that I can update, absolutely I want to update. So anytime I'm checking over here for green, and I'm going to update as soon as I can. Okay, so there we go. There's one updated. All right, so every time I'm getting 3 questions correct, okay, I'm going to get another Bluk. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to choose this one. All right, trying to hustle along as I know I only have 3 minutes. Okay, so here we go. Let's update this one. All right, so let's go here. All right, we'll update this one. Okay, I got to get 3 right. Okay, and then that is going to allow me. All right, here we go. Let's update this one. Here we go. Let's get this one. Let's update this one. Let's update this one. So again, I'm watching for the green, okay, to show up. And as soon as it does, I try to get a new, as soon as the green one shows up, I try to update it right away, okay, so that I can earn money faster, okay. And here we go. All right, so I'm just trying to get questions answered as soon as I can. I'm possibly not choosing the Bluks as carefully as I normally would, but notice how I have all of my spaces filled up over here, okay? And that's going to be important once I get this final next question answered. So here we go. Well, you know what? I'm just going to skip this. That's not such a good one. And hopefully the next one is going to show, here we go. Look at this. You see this? 80K every 5 seconds. Thank you. Let's get rid of this 30 every 2 seconds. All right. Now look at this. I can update like a lot. Okay. And see these? As soon as I start earning more money, I'm going to keep clicking over here. I want to keep updating as fast as I can. It allows me to earn money faster. All right, so I'm going to keep clicking. Notice because I got a good one, it's going to allow me to update even faster. Oh, here's another one, 26K. All right, here we go, 550. Bam, you're gone. Okay, so now I'll get these a lot faster. Notice how much my money is increasing now that I have more, I'm earning more. Okay, like that is jumping up tremendously faster. Okay, so here are the big tips for factory. All right, so you're going to want to try to match up the like corn or whatever from your Bluks if you can. All right, but then the big thing is update as soon as you can. And once you get all 10 Bluks filled, swap them out for the good ones. If you don't see a good one, skip it. Okay, notice that there were some, you could sabotage some other players, some glitches that come up. So you can absolutely use those if you want to mess with the other people you're playing with. But those are some great tips for playing the factory mode.